Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing equipment that maximizes speed and reward. Choose a fast frame and area-clear weapon so you finish fissures quickly. This increases relic output per hour. Once done, prioritize missions that list Axii in the drop table, like specific void survival or rotation rewards, and accept fissure missions that guarantee relics. Make sure to bring consumables such as clearing mods or resource boosters only if you need the extra yield, because speed matters more than brute survivability for efficient farming. Next, you streamline the middle of the process by establishing roles and pacing. Assign someone to extract relic rewards while others focus on rapid clears. That keeps mission turnovers high. Once you have a rotation, run 2 to 3 fissures in a row to capitalize on momentum and keep relic drops accumulating. Make sure to swap loot-bearing relics and avoid heavy kit changes between runs, because minimizing downtime raises your relic per hour rate and explains why consistent short runs beat long, slow clears. Finally, you close out runs and lock in gains while diagnosing problems. Open relics in a safe area and keep 1 or 2 spare relics to trade duplicates later. This preserves value and helps complete sets. If your success rate dips, refine loadouts or switch nodes to adjust enemy levels and spawn density, because different nodes yield better group clear opportunities. If things still go wrong, use a resource or drop chance booster, and reevaluate team composition to restore steady Axii Relic farming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.